Hi my lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I've actually been sent 2 dupe items from Coeebags. Now these items are absolutely amazing. I've been after this bag and this accessory that they've also sent me for the longest while. So when they invited me for this collaboration, I was all up for it because I absolutely love these 2 items. Honestly, they are so stunning. Guys, I can't wait to show you. So this video has been sponsored by Coeebags, who I mentioned before. I've worked with them several times. They've sent me over some really lovely dupe handbags and accessories. The last item that they sent me was a YSL bag, and I just absolutely love that bag. I've actually worn that bag twice since I've got it, you know, because like it is like a high kind of fashion bag. My cousin turned 60. She had her 60th birthday party and the theme was wear white, silver or gold or cream. She gave us quite a few options. So I've got a lot of white accessories from previous white parties, and the bag that I got, the YSL bag, was absolutely gorgeous. It went perfectly with it. So Coeebags have sent me 2 new items, guys. Like I said, I can't wait to show you. As you can see, they're Gucci dupes. Look at the detail. I can't remember what print that's called, but that lovely detail, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to take out the box. Now these came all packed up in a carton box. First of all, I've taken the cardboard box away and I've thrown it. I've discarded of that. You know, it's just a cardboard box that's well packaged in. So I've done away with that because, to be fair, I've had these items for a little while now, you know, and I've been waiting to do the video. So I thought, what a better time to do it. Christmas is fast approaching. We are looking for gifts. We're looking for affordable gifts, and that's exactly what this is, okay? So this box here contains the bag, okay? This is the lovely gift box that the bag comes in. It's magnetic. It's got a magnetic clasp on it, so it closes up really nicely. So inside the box, guys, they have sent me this beautiful dupe Gucci handbag. It is so stunning. It comes with the straps. I'll show you that in more detail in a minute. It also comes with this other strap as well. Now wait for it, guys. The bag is absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to attach the thicker strap to the bag. So all links for this particular bag is in the description box, so you can just go straight to the website from the link and find this bag, because on their website they have so many gorgeous luxury dupe handbags, accessories, shoes, you name it, they have it on there, and all different brands. As you can tell, guys, I'm absolutely in awe with this bag. It's absolutely stunning. Let's flip it up like so. You've got these 2 magnetic clasps, okay, so it closes up really firmly, and then inside you've got this little compartment here, and then at the back you've got another compartment there, and then another little pocket there, okay? So it's more of like a little like saddle side bag, I would say. The gold hardware as well is absolutely stunning. So that's the handbag there, guys. So it did come with 2 extra straps. So I've got this strap here that I can actually just swap out. I mean, if I didn't want to have this, the thicker strap on the bag. Very easy to do. The clasps are really soft closing and soft opening as well. Just going to pop that on like so, like that. You can actually have the bag like so. Like if you didn't want to have the whole Gucci thick strap, but I do absolutely love a thick strap as an over shoulder bag and also a crossover body bag. Okay, so that's that there. So inside the box is also a slim belt as well, which is adjustable. Okay, I wasn't actually expecting that. You have the swing tag that has all the you know, the details of the material of the bag and the quality of the bag and so on. It's such good quality. It's a nice weight bag. It's not like too heavy. It's absolutely stunning quality, as you can see. I'd like to say thank you to Coeebags for kindly sponsoring this video and gifting me this beautiful saddle bag. So that's the bag. Now in this box, guys, they've sent me another item. So they sent me another item, guys. This is a accessory, which, like I said at the beginning of the video, I have been after this accessory for so long. And you know, the price tag of these luxury designer items are really hefty. When Coeebags invited me for this collaboration and, you know, offered me 2 items to unbox because it's Christmas, you know guys, it's Christmas Coeebags haul, I should say, because it's 2 items. Well, it's actually 3 items. That little belt in the handbag box, I wasn't expecting that at all. So again, luxury gift bag, absolutely love it. You guys know that I'm a fan of the green, and this is just so stunning, you know. And then the box, guys, look at the box. The quality of this box is absolutely amazing. It's a strong quality, good quality box that you can actually repurpose if you wanted to. So anyways, enough about the box. I'm sure you want to see what's inside the box. I'm going to open it slowly. And guys, they have kindly gifted me a belt to go with the handbag. I'm so excited, honestly. Oh my goodness. So it comes with the dust bag as well that you can put the belt in when it's not in use. And then it's all wrapped up nicely. And then here it is, guys. Just going to take off that plastic over the gold hardware there. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. It is stunning. It's a stunning belt. Now this belt can jazz up, you know, a pair of black jeans, a pair of indigo jeans, like a nice navy blue, deep blue pair of jeans, or a nice pair of trousers, or even if you're wearing like a long shirt, like a long black shirt, a long white shirt, have the belt, you're good to go. All I need now is a pair of Gucci shoes and I'm good to go, you know. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. So again, thank you to Coeebags for kindly sending me these beautiful items to unbox. Really lovely. So yeah, and the inside of the belt is green. I think on their website you can get different colours of the inside of the belt. They've obviously seen my videos and they know that I absolutely love green, so they've given me the green one. So you've got the green loop there, very similar to the colour of the box, if not the same. Of course the belt was there. It also came with this card, so it's like a fold down, like one of those tent cards, you know. And then they've also given me this, and I think this is to make extra holes in the belt if the belt is too if the belt is too big for me. I can actually just use this to make a new hole inside the belt loops, you know. But it does actually fit me well. I'm not going to try it on now because, guys, I'm actually got like jogging bottoms on underneath this, but actually I can. I'm just going to pull it around my jumper here on the camera just to give you an idea of what it looks like on. So that's what it looks like on, guys. Really gorgeous. And then the handbag, I'm just going to pull it around me like so. Guys, I'm so happy with my new items from Coeebags. I'd like to say thank you to Coeebags for kindly sponsoring today's video and sending me these beautiful items to unbox. Now guys, if you're after this same bag or this belt or anything from the Coeebags website, Coeebags have kindly given me a discount code to give to you guys for Christmas that gives you 15% off your first purchase from Coeebags. So you can go onto their website. I'll put the link in the description box below. Pop onto their website, have a look, have a browse, and you can use my discount code if you feel to purchase anything from the Coeebags website. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked today's video. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Take care, keep well, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.